Alright, so I wanted to document this really cool bird nest. I don't know if you can see, there's like a hole in there. It's underneath the bark of this dead maple, like right beside the trail. So I actually found this yesterday and went and asked on the bird group what could have made it, and someone seemed to think it could be a nest of a little bird called a brown creeper, and I will insert a picture of it here. Yeah, so the creeper is a little bird. It goes up and down tree trunks looking for like little insects and things. Says they nest between mid-May and mid-June, so I'm thinking up in that cavity there's probably a little like pocket or something where a bird could sit on eggs. But yeah, really, just a really neat thing to see. Very cool.